You're doing a good job, Scarlett. Is that where the rooster goes? Grandpa helping you? Yeah. Where's the piggy? Huh? The horsey goes there.
Yeah.
There you go. Almost.
Yeah.
There's my little genius, huh? Oop, almost.
Close enough. Yeah.
Yay! Where's the pig go? Turn it around.
A little more.
Turn it a little more. There you go, sweetie. I think you. Oh, one. You can do it. You can do it. I know you can.